You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with the order of operations. The final result is 180 equals 180. Let's solve it step by step. Calculate the expression inside the parentheses. Perform any multiplication or division, from left to right. 14 times 3 equals 42. Calculate any addition or subtraction, from left to right. 42 plus 17 equals 59. Perform any multiplication or division, from left to right. 26 times 3 equals 78. Calculate any addition or subtraction, from left to right. 78 plus 43 equals 121. 59 plus 121 equals 180. And so the final result is 180 equals 180.